Una nating makakausap na kampiyon is Calvin Optana. Calvin, lahat ng sakripisyo worth it. Ang dami nangyari sa inyong kupunan, especially in this series in the finals. How does it feel right now to be able to get this victory?
Wala na akong masabi. Sobrang saya. Lahat ng sakripisyo ng team, lahat ng paghihirap, lahat ng mga misunderstanding, makikita nyo naman, pero ito pa rin kami. Nakuha namin ang kampyonato. Pangatlo ko na. First gold medal ko, first try. Ngayon, first game 7 ko, nanalo na naman. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord.
Now, Calvin, alam ko, marami kang gustong sabihin. Kaya naman, simulan mo na.
Una sa lahat, mga katrupa! Thank you. Thank you po sa walang sawang pagsuporta. Sa asawa ko, family ko, Novera family, Optana family, Villahermosa family, Nelly family, Anza family, Drilon family, Tamar family. Salamat sa mga suporta nyo, sa mga dasal ko, sa dasal nyo. Bahala na naman si Batman. 3 buwan na naman ako di uminom. Lasingan na! Let's go!
Thank you, Calvin. Now let's go to you now have 3 PBA championship, but this is your first in the Commissioner's Cup. How does this feel? Is it any different?
It feels amazing. It feels amazing. I would say every day I get to fight with these guys and hear our fans support. It's amazing. I'm honored. I'm appreciative, but this one was real special because my mom got to be here and witness this, so thank you.
Any shout-outs or dedication for this championship?
I want to shout out my teammates for stepping up big. Glenn, Calvin, Ray, Poy, we fought adversity. Kelly, everybody, man, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. I'll go to war with you any day, every day. I love you all.
Thank you very much, Ronde. Now, let's go to our Game 7 player of the game, Glenn Cubontin. Glenn, pinag-uusapan lang sa practice kahapon. It's a huge challenge for you to step up this game. And true enough, you stepped up, made big shots. Balik mo ka, meron ba tumatakbo sa isip mo ng mga moment na yon?
Wala. Yun nga, sabi ni Coach Shot, last game na to. So, last practice na namin kahapon. So, give it all. Wala na akong iniisip. Kung ma-miss, go back in defense. Thank you, Lord. Na-shoot ko yung mga tira ko. So, yun lang.
Glenn, may mga gusto ka bang batiin at pasalamatan? Go ahead.
Binabati ko lahat ng taga-Cagayan de Oro. Ito, manager ko, family ko. Boss Edgar, family ko, wife ko, Karen Claire, love you, wife. Wifey, sa lahat ng sumusuporta ng PBA, lalo na sa mga fans ng TNT. Grabe. Thank you sa inyo. Thank you sa inyo lahat. Go TNT!
Thank you, Glenn. Now, Poy, Poy, you showed extreme focus, dedication in this game. Maraming nagduda, but pinakita mo, you redeemed yourself, and you're now again a champion. Just take us through all you're feeling right now.
When you trust in Him, nothing is impossible. My faith has been talagang sa Panginoon talaga. Kahit anong mangyari, kahit anong sabihin ng mga tao sa akin, alam ko nandiyan yung Panginoon para sa akin. And then syempre, hindi pa uhuli yung pamilya ko, yung asawa ko, si Jerry, my wife. Yung mga anak ko, si Aliyah, si Luca, and si Clay. And syempre yung family ko. And my teammates. Sobrang special yung mga teammates ko. Through thick and thin. Sobrang na-appreciate ko sila kasi they still accept me as who I am. And I'm blessed na. And syempre sa mga bosses, kay Boss Ricky, Boss MVP, maraming salamat. To our coaches, sa assistant coach, kay Boss Jolas, maraming salamat. And sa mga taong naniwala, sa TNT fans, maraming salamat sa inyo. Kahit outnumbered tayo, nandyan kayo para sa amin. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Poy. Now, RR Pogoy, hindi marami ang may alam. Actually, you are battling through an injury in this series, but you fought through. How special is this one?
Talagang may iniinda ako before this series. Pero tiwala lang ako kay God. Talagang yung faith ko kay God lang talaga at naglalaro ako kahit may injury ako.
Marami ka ng championship with TNT. But to whom do you want to dedicate this to? And may mga gusto ka bang batiin at pasalamatan?
Sa lahat ng TNT fans, family ko, Pugoy family, family, Portes family. Ingat kayo dyan.
Thank you very much, RR Pagoy. Now back to the panel.